Let us try to understand the canvas. From components, you can drag and drop any pre-HTML blocks into the canvas and visually manipulate them. With Canvas, we can perform 4 important actions: selection, editing, movement, and actions. Let us start with selection. Simply move around and click on any element in the canvas. As you click, you see the selected element is highlighted by the blue border with few different options. The setting icon will open the properties panel in the left. This arrow icon will help you to select the parent element. Alright, now let us try to edit the content. To edit any content in the canvas, simply double click on the element and you can start editing the content right away. Sometimes you want to move and rearrange the items in the canvas. To do that, simply click on this icon and drop it to the place where you want to. Alright, let us try to understand actions. Sometimes you want to duplicate the elements in the canvas and you want to reuse it for different purpose. To do that, click on any element and click on this copy icon. This will duplicate the element. And if you want to remove any element from the canvas, you can click on the trash icon to remove